Hello everyone. I have a 2007 Toyota Camry that the headlights are extremely foggy. So I'm having a really hard time seeing at night with these foggy headlights. So I'm going to try this uh, Cerakote headlight restoration kit to see if it works. So I showed you the before and I'm going to show you the afterwards. This is the after results of my headlights restoration kit, the Cerakote. I apologize to the company if I pronounced the name wrong, but this is the end result of the restoration kit, ceramic restoration kit. And we will see if it lasts for the lifetime that I own this car.